Good morning, Global. How are you? Today I've worked in Wolt Courier Partner with my motorbike. I went to Sushi, Vach in Abba Hillel 7, Ramat Gan. Then I collected a delivery, and then two of the people that work there came out and said, you know, Wolt have closed our tablet. We cannot serve missions. They say they don't have delivery. Okay, how? We don't know. So I said, just call the team of restaurant. They maybe help. So they were speechless. They didn't know. And the situation you have in the Wolt application is low, medium, high. It was medium. Later, after 15 minutes, 10 minutes, I finished the task. It was low. It's Wednesday night. It's pretty not that working. And they asked me, do you have work? And I said, yes, I had bundling and triple. And it's Ramat Gan Bursa, it's almost Tel Aviv. But then investigation Danor Kozak, and experience of 5 years. And being a manager of 5 groups, WhatsApp and a Telegram of 700 people, I'm in business. The president of partners, unofficial president of all world partners, 150,000 partners in the world. And then for my experience, I know that there is Sai Sushi in Tuval 9, I think, which is more elderly than the Vach Sushi. And he's working. Testimony A. Why? The distance matters. It's about 150 meters between those two. And it's even not like more to get inside to Ramat Gan. It's on the line of north and south. It's more north 150 meters. Meaning Vach is similar to central Tel Aviv, and 150 meters north is Sai Sushi. And next section. Experience of Wolt. Sometimes from Fat Cow, Fu Sushi, when you order to Tel Aviv, you will say in the peak of Thursday night or in noon, you will say, this restaurant will give you only for about 55 minutes. And sometimes you also want this restaurant, you're welcome to compromise and you approve 55 minutes I ordering. And sometimes it's before. Usually Wolt command 30 minutes all the time, but if it's the next city attached, it's 45 minutes. But sometimes half, 30 minutes, even if it's like from Tel Aviv to Ramat Gan, Givatayim, Bnei Brak, Yafo, Bat Yam. So we have an efa from the Bible. You have two people and you choose one more. Why? If later the day Wolt will say that sometimes there is a shift, when the shift manager and the worker is not that good and a great minus, so they say suspicious as, and they may say, you act wrong and we block you. Or imagine a delivery courier that is not that smiling and good and lating and wow, is unfocused. They may tell you what happening. It's like delivery after delivery, you're suspended, friend. Haven't it happened to me? But you tend to believe that if they see one after one, wait, we block you. And usually people keep their career and it does not happen. So why, where and where? Efa and Efa, Sai Sushi working and they are not. Then if it will true, and don't be katnuni, they can find, no, this day they got star and a star and a star and not 5 star in the review, then no, you lie, they lie. Okay, if it's star and a star, they got like 20 orders and people rate them star and a star, but not 5 stars. You can rate the delivery courier and the food. And then they felt something wrong, so they need to say, go and improve. You haven't wrapped it, okay, the food was not good. No. Allegedly a lie. They told them, we don't have delivery. Section number GMB. Wolt is for me parallel, is in the wide team of GMB. We have GMB, and from the left of us, WTPL 101, and from the right of us, Wolt. We are a team together, global team. And we are always keep moving forward, approaching, step by step. And what you did today is taking step backward. And Tel Aviv succeeded to win the 24 hours a day. And we suffered last week from not that orders in the night. And now I feel why. And then I search for sushi, and I see only this one open. Even a full sushi closed at 2 o'clock in the morning. So by your act, you are lowering the job. Are you the Tel Aviv ללא הפסקה that was before 20 years and alcohol, you can bought it in a kiosk in 3 o'clock in the morning, and then Tel Aviv become lower hours and alcohol until 11 like London we became? This is your prediction, your profit on Walt? No. My prediction on Walt, it's 24 hours Tel Aviv, so Rishon. No party too much. Discotheques was in the 90s, 2000, so at least food 24 hours. People work from home, you forget. We want 24 hours. And also to work for people, jobs, in 3 o'clock, 4. So this is at the side. We must keep moving forward and you will find solutions. Now about the suspicious. Allegedly, Sai Sushi is so dominant that he told, who is this Achach? Do a combina with Walt. And they were combina and a fine 20 million VAT on the construction. It's like a construction company, I would say Kablan, that Walt pay for someone and he hired the workers. And he sent invoices for Walt. It was like 20 million fine, but on the company middle, not on Walt. East Darim, on order. So it was in the past a failure of attitude of unlegit. It was around. It's not that always was clean. And just lately was the invoice 230 million fake with a taken 36 million from the country, allegedly, was a blame. So it's not nice the word. Stinky was before 2 years and stinky was before half year. And now I hesitate a lot that a stinky year is allegedly that this restaurant in the Bursa Ramat Gan, she thought she could have someone inside Walt and tell this Fachach close him tonight because we want the 17,000 revenue per night and not 13 if they will work parallel to us. And therefore it's a bribe, shochad, not allowed in the Bible, arrest, jail, fine to this restaurant. And remove it from Walt. Yes, Walt from Finland, they have the tribute culture, integrity, good people, smiling people, great people. We are not allowed working with invoices, we are not allowed attitude of cartel. If it's correct, allegedly, suspicious one, a dominant Sai Sushi told close the VAT charge. Second, there I think I rest my... And then I demand 2 million shekel fine on Walt because you have the official authority of competition Israel. This one, the trade the cement area with 5 categories, she is also, and it's called the Chaltura app. It's a new generation of a job through the app, very mani kashur attitude. What am I related? As Walt say, the courier bringing the invoice for his service, he is not my official worker. Mani kashur, what am I related? And so there is a logic sometimes in it. They talk about it in court with Golan Khazanovich. Meanwhile, some satisfied. So, 2 million shekel on Walt. Who are you to close the competition? A Vach Sushi want to give an alternate force in the sushi area to Sai Sushi. And so they will. Day after day, months after months, will rise. Fair competition. And more money for the delivery. And more option for the customers. And more, each one pebbles to each other. This sushi better, this sushi better. So you are putting a stick in the bicycle of the economy, GDP of Israel. For this you get a fine net of 2 million shekel Walt to the cashier of the country. This what the authority of competition will serve on you if it's legit. This is what I want. We are all Ben Gurion. We build the country together, and then I call the 120 members government and Miri Regev It's your time to be in the front. And more internal minister. Block. Competition, it's what leads us. Capitalism, all the time. Hesitate from the word social. We are capitalism. A person come with a sushi, you will let him. And if you will tell me, no, for real, we didn't have delivery, how come, what? Why the delivery will not go to Vachach, only to Sai Sushi? It's not that sometimes we have a restaurant with a monitin that delay 20 minutes. Yes, we have some restaurants like this. Sometimes in the peak of the weekend, we even don't go. Many people there and 20 minutes late. No, it's not that situation. Those sushi restaurants, very basic. You come, you take the food, you go. No, is one delivery to say I will not take from Vachach and from Sai Sushi I will. A. B. You cannot say we cannot tolerate that the monitin of the competition of Walt will be this restaurant is now serving 55 minutes. No, all the day it's happening. When it's peak of 12 midnight or 9 o'clock, instead of half, there is a mention, look, customer, it's 45 to 55 minutes, even you are in the area of half hour, since we are in a peak. So it's happening all the time. And you tell him, it's up to 55. And I see this city and it's empty, and I call the Miki Kosi, CEO Walt, and CEO DoorDash, something wrong with Walt. You have the Lior Eshkol CEO, you have the Ali Yosefon logistic manager, and someone under them, team of restaurant, is not doing enough job to think the workers, if this was the problem. You can say, even in 2 o'clock, you can send a message to people that awake in 2 o'clock. There is this communication. And you say, there is job, come. How can you go? What is the wish? The average says 69 plus VAT, this is the average salary of Walters. How can you go to 85 plus VAT as my prediction if you will not let this Vachach, a day after day, month after month, to build his customers to be known? So, the authority of competition, המועצה להגנת הצרכן, the consolation for the defense of the consumer, jump on Walt, go to their street, Melacha 8, Tel Aviv. Please open the office, talk to Lior Levi Eshkol, what was there. However, never you will block this situation. And again, you see how I defend my friends. Walt is empire. And I want Walt with me to be strong. And this step back, you are narrowing your dominant. Many restaurants, 24 hours, this is the plan. So this is an internal message for Walt and DoorDash. This is the wish. Police, you're also around, making sure everybody do the investigation as need. It's like a robbery, allegedly. You know what is to open a restaurant in Ramat Gan? 1 million on restaurant, workers, and people, when you buy a restaurant, in your plan with your advisor of taxes, you plan on Walt. You count on Walt as an income, sure, as a bond. And then it's collapse. It's not good. And if it's bribe, we are not allowed. For me, for us, Walt is an example, a model, no bribe will be, if allegedly. Please suspect, please go all to Sai Sushi. Ask Sai Sushi to Val, why you open, and Vachach, why you not open. And then go to Rishon LeZion, Moshe Becker and all, Yavne, Ashdod, Ashkelon, Petach Tikva, Asharon, Herzliya, and check that there is the same situation between all. And then 29 countries, Interpol, also you to check. This is internal things, so put it in district internal of Interpol. The competition authority can not to do one restaurant open, one not. And please open now the application of Walt, you will see it made this open and this not. And then also we do a monitin on Vachach, that over the days you remember. Sai Sushi is open 24, is strong, not 24, until 4 or 3, and Vachach until 12. When you're 24, it's a message. I'm strong, and people consume every day, every hour. Thank you for the listening. God bless us all. Be fair, integrity. Danosh Truzman, yours. Danosh Truzman, CEO and founder, Global Market Banks, WTPL 101, MCAHC, GMBW, GMBCG, GMB MAS, Media, the Mabas eventually, GMB Mabas, Global Market Banks, Media Browser Supervisor. That sometime in the browser you see a video of a channel of TV, we're making sure that this channel of TV will be 100% work. When you rotate the screen, when you go out, when you go to an elevator, all the time it's constant. And the advertisements are with voice and video. For this, GMB Mabas. Have a great night and a great weekend. Bye-bye.